In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do quarterly taxes with TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter your estimated tax payments, so TurboTax correctly applies them to your return, and you avoid paying the same tax twice. Start inside your current TurboTax return. From the main navigation, move your mouse to Deductions and Credits. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens the section where TurboTax groups items that reduce your tax or reflect taxes you've already paid during the year. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to expand the menu first, but the goal is the same. Get to the Deductions and to Credits area. Next, click Deductions and Credits Summary. This brings up a list of categories. We're going to work in the one that tracks your estimated payments. These are the quarterly payments you may have made during the year through IRS Direct Pay, EFTs, or by check, often required for freelancers, business owners, investors, or anyone without enough tax withheld from paychecks. Find estimates and other taxes. Paid and click it. This section is designed specifically for payments you've already sent to the IRS or your state, separate from withholdings on W-2s or 1099s. Entering them here ensures TurboTax gives you full credit. Now look for estimated tax payments and click Revisit. That opens the worksheet where you'll input each quarter. You'll see options for the first, second, third, and fourth quarters. For each quarter you actually paid, enter the exact amount and the date you paid it. Use your bank confirmations, IRS receipts, or EFTPS records so the numbers match to the dollar. If you skipped a quarter, leave it blank. Don't estimate or guess. Remember, the date should reflect when the money left your account, not just the scheduled due date. Typical federal due dates are mid-April, mid-June, mid-September, and mid-January of the following year. The weekends and holidays can shift them. It's perfectly fine if you paid a little early or late. Just record the real payment date. If you also made state estimated payments, you'll usually see a similar state area elsewhere in Deductions and Credits. Keep federal and state entries separate and double check the header before typing so you don't mix them up. As you enter each quarter, review the running total TurboTax shows. That total will be subtracted from your overall tax, which can reduce what you owe or increase your refund. When you're done, continue through the prompts so your entries save. That's it. Hover over Deductions and Credits, open the summary, go to Estimates and Other Taxes Paid, revisit estimated tax payments, and fill in each quarter with the correct date and amount. Keep those confirmations handy, and you'll breeze through this every quarter and at year end.